Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Today I'll be guiding you through the last steps of a work order lifecycle by showing you how to manage work order reports and KPIs. Okay, let's get started. Once you close a work order, you may still retrieve data from it by generating a report for the specific work order. Let's take one of the previous examples. Imagine a manager wanting to have to access information regarding the resolution of an air conditioner issue. As seen in the video, in order to gain access to the report, the manager needs to go to the work orders and in the left-hand side, the toolbar, select the desired work order followed by the reports option. Afterwards, the work orders report templates created in the platform beforehand will appear. The manager only needs to select the intended report template and wait for it to download. Don't worry, it's quick. Another scenario, a technician executed the work order at a client, and now that same client wants to recognize the signature of the employee who verified if the job was done. He also wants a report submitted without hassle. The client will only receive the report in their inbox if it's sent by the technician and signed by one of his employees. To accomplish that, the technician using Infraspeak's mobile app can easily have the report signed and sent directly to the client. In order to do that, the technician needs to access the specific work order and select the option to sign the report. Once the report is signed, it can be sent via email. All the technician needs to do is select the user or the contact and send the report. It's important to mention that there's no need to sign a report in order to be able to email it. A report may be emailed whether it has a signature or not. Moreover, while using the app, the technician may preview the report templates before submitting it. As mentioned earlier, report templates may be customized. The manager can define which templates they want for maintenance management and for the work orders, for contact, users, or both. To do so, the manager needs to go to the Administration tab and while on the Report section, select the Customize Reports field option. Here, you need to select which report template you want to configure and then customize it by selecting which fields or information settings you want switched on or off according to your specific needs. When customizing a work order report, in the Access Settings section, you can choose if the template you are creating or editing is meant to be attached to the emails and who is eligible to receive it, contacts, users, or both, as you wish. Reports may be created, changed, deleted. Sections may be added or erased within a report, or even singular field areas may be added or deleted. There's no limit of numbers to the reports you can create, so take your time in defining which information you want to extract from Infraspeak. In addition to gathering data from a single work order through customizable reports, managers may also gain access to additional in-depth details regarding their corrective maintenance. To do so, rather than selecting a specific work order, the manager may take a broader picture of its maintenance operation by using Analytics module. Here, the manager can manipulate the data within the platform according to the business needs and KPIs. Graphics can be manipulated, information can be grouped, and all of it can be exported in the spreadsheet format. With this module, the manager may, for instance, understand the number of work orders by status and how they combine with the work order area, resulting in a clear view of work order statuses per area. Keep in mind that more than 2 criteria may be grouped depending on the objective of the analysis. Okay, that's it. You are now ready to start extracting your data according to your needs, either by using and sharing specific work order reports or by using the Analytics module. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. As always, you can check out the more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episodes and keep watching for this video's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you want to make your operation smarter, you can count on Infraspeak to enable the use of service level agreements to reduce response time and enhance your control over your work orders. As a manager, you want to be able to manage the SLAs the company has, providing a good service both internally and to your customers. Ensure compliance with signed agreements. Find more details on this and other instructions in the description below. See you around.